My beautiful and amazing people, make una come out make una come hear matter wey dey ground Wonders they say it shall never end. See Rosie taking action on Tonto Dike on top of husband matter, on top of the same husband wey you collect for in hand. My people, no be small thing. I say I dey see a lot, ear dey hear things. I am like, if this whole thing is true, na im be say Rosie no get am for shame at all. She no get am for shame at all. Una remember the last time when she go dey call, allegedly according to the story, she go dey call her people, say make dem call Churchill people, say make dem warn Tonto Dike to stay away from her husband. That she was the one that practically left, that the man is a 1-minute man. That the man is a tiffy, that the man is a liar. This, that. Now when she don't stay with the 1-minute man, manage with the 1-minute man, stay with the tiffy, stay with the lie, finish. After 10 years, she come dey hide under the canopy of co-parenting. One come dey do things, say she will not take it. Wey Churchill people, according to the story, they come let her know, to say for some time now, we hear say you dey for obodo na Cancun, and you have refused to return back. You have been there, and your husband, Olakunle Churchill, is in Nigeria here. How the both of una take connect? You dey there, in dey here. How una come take be husband? How you take one make him the man come take cope without you around? Before we go chook mouth for inside this matter, you got to return back to Naija with immediate effect, 7 days immediate effect, before we go know wetin we go do for inside the matter, whether we dey chook mouth or na chook leg, or how we go take go about the case. Na im video start a trend of where Churchill, where Rosie Mora, they enter plane, they come out from plane, they do this, they do that. Online in-laws talk say, fear don't catch her. She don't finally return back to Nigeria just to come and claim her man back, just to come and collect the property which she been collect for person hand. If the owner come back for the property, you know they comfortable. Now you won't come collect am final, abi? Now it make you finally return. No be that one, no. That one was just an old video of Rosie Mora, the one wey she do for December. Na im be that so. But underground, Rosie Mora don't issue papers to Tonto Dike, allegedly say that is court paper, say make Tonto Dike leave her husband alone. You know, say as they no gree give her attention for her husband people side, wey they give her rules and regulation, and she know to say she dey enjoy Cancun well. She no ready to come back, and she dey enjoy Adora's kitchen. Whether na free food they give her, na only God na know, because na every day she dey come out, come eat Adora's kitchen for Cancun there. And na every time she dey come out, come do video. So for some days now, she has almost 1 week plus now. She has not made any video. She has not made any post at all. Not even a write-up at all. Even when Churchill celebrated his mother, instead of celebrating her on Mother's Day, when they come online, they ask Churchill, say, come why you no celebrate your wife or your ex-wife wey born baby boy for you, your first son? Why you no celebrate am? Im tell person say make the person go help am celebrate them. In na im own mama, na im wan celebrate. Wey people dey talk that one, they go dey blame Tonto Dike, say, see man wey you dey celebrate on Mother's Day, wey you suppose celebrate yourself, carry yourself like the queen that you are. You go dey celebrate, and see wetin open mouth they talk for social media, where they tell am, say why you no celebrate you or celebrate in wife wey he marry keep for us. He say make the person go celebrate una. Now you can't dey celebrate am. Now what for you? Now love where you love am like this. Now make you they do like this. This that that that. They go they drag Tonto Dike over that particular post from Olakunle Churchill. At the end of the whole matter, shey this aunty no post at all at all. They say to. After all, people bin don even dey tell her say, madam, you don dey too do. Ever since Tonto Dike reconcile to co-parent in peace with Olakunle Churchill, you never get peace. Madam, rest in the name of the Lord. As she kuku no post, people come dey say, to thank God oh, madam don finally rest oh, she don finally leave social media. Make she fit get peace. Maybe by the time wey she go return, social media go don dey calm, e go don better for her to come and start all over. And for the fact say she no come dey go from one podcast or the other, she don dey tire, because the more she go this one, go that one, go this one, go that one, go on live with Daddy Freeze, the more she dey implicate herself, the more dey put herself up for dragging. So e good as she enter house, everybody come dey appreciate. Why some people dey tell her say yes, so let her return and come and take over her man. Yes, say e no go make sense if she allow somebody wey claim to be hiding under the canopy of co-parenting to come collect her man from her. E no go make sense. Say make she come take over her man o, make she no allow Tonto Dike take over the man. According to this person, he say get your man from that lonely husband snatcher. The person still went further. He say get your man from that woman hiding under co-parenting. The person still went further. He say, as expected, baby girl, come home and get your man. Now how they just take the tell her for comment section based on say they post that particular video of December 2025 or so. Now in that video December 2026 no 2025, yes, December. Now she be do that video. So the person that come dey celebrate her say make she come back come collect her man from all these people where they claim to be working under co-parenting. They won't come collect your man back. Not knowing say, hey, Tonto Dike never ready. Because if Tonto Dike ready, they don't need talk. Now they say, Rosie Mora, go send lawyer. Don't go get lawyer. The lawyer now don't send letter of disease. Like, make Tonto Dike comot body for Churchill matter. Me, I come dey ask, say, come on, abeg o, they snatch man wey never ready to be snatched? Because I no understand the one way she dey talk say make dem tell Tonto Dike make she stay away from her man. Abeg, they collect man for woman hand, man wey never ready, make dem snatch am. They collect am for woman hand. The same thing that you did to her, you are now coming after her for doing it to you, whereas she never even start to. She never even start to. According to the report, the paper where they sent to Tonto Dike, that they should co-parent in peace. That they have seen cases where two parents come together to co-parent and they are doing it respectfully without offending the wife at home. And that not only offending the wife at home, Tonto Dike is going extra mile to give a slap to the wife at home. Always coming to do some certain things on social media. That they are giving her order with immediate effect to take Olakunle's name off her mouth, in as much as she is not coming to talk about her child support, child money for this, money for that. That is what co-parenting is all about. If she's not coming for money for this, money for that, they want to see the father in school, Father's Day or anything of such, she should stay away from Olakunle Churchill. That they will not talk to Tonto Dike again, that this will be the first and the last paper they are going to issue her before they will take another measure in doing this thing. That she knows deep down that this man belonged to someone else, but because she just shall want to do and overdo, that's why she's going after this man. That what will she stand to gain going after another woman's husband? That she should stay clear of Rosimora's husband. Hey, I am like, come on, make una come on, my beautiful and amazing people. This matter e shortalize me. E weak my body like idodo wey fall for inside oil this time around, no be inside water o. I say wait o, so women now, grown up women wey fine like this, come dey go dey battle over man wey dey polygamous in nature, man wey go stain your white, wey you go take out this time embrace yourself, carry yourself like queen that you are, focus, make e be say na the man dey run over you to come dey explain wetin no dey, to come dey tell you say no, it's not like that o, I only went there because of my son's birthday, or this one that one. Una never see before? That is what we call love, where the man will have to be explaining non-stop. But now na you come dey run kitikiti, dey find wetin no loss, make dem leave the man alone. This that. I am like, God, may God come have mercy upon us o. Na true na dem talk am say if karma dey knock for person door sometime, e no dey push the door small small o, na scatter e dey scatter the door enter. The same thing wey you no fit accept, don dish it out to people, because you know say na the same thing wey you do to this woman na im make you no get peace ever since dey co-parent. Now you dey go carry lawyer dey give order with immediate effect that they should take Chochi off her mouth. You don forget say her pikin na King Andrel Churchill. How she wan take comot the Churchill from her mouth? How now? Okay, e dey pain like this. A woman came out and cry out that somebody want to snatch her husband. That time you too, you come out, you say for where? It's just like a brother to you. You no know wetin that one dey talk o, as if she dey kolo mentus. Nothing concern you. You no know anything. You make her look stupid, make her look like somebody wey dey kolo true that time. Whereas you know wetin you dey do. You later come let us know say e even get belle when you start dey follow the man dey go. Now they never even start. Tonto never even start based on say God call am. By the time wey e keep God wey call am for one side first, tell Papa Godeh say, Papa Godeh abeg relax here, I dey come. Make I face this one squarely. Hope say you go fit stand am o, because we know who Tonto Dike is before God Almighty come call her. No allow her to keep God. Tell God say, Papa God abeg no vex, make I handle this one small first. Come back carry my garments. No push her o. No push her o. Make she no come back to the world because of you o. Because now she don leave everything in the world. Focus on God. I wan focus on you, on God. Aye wale nemi domo. Abi na how they even take sing that song. Now she don focus on God. Abeg leave her o. No push her o. Focus o. They no dey snatch man wey no ready to be snatched o. Rest in the name of the Lord o. Rose, rest o. Normally e just dey hot, na the beginning be this. It will be you like you want to kpai, but I dey tell you for free that you will not kpai. So rest. She cannot leave Chochi out of her mouth because she have a child for him, and that is the major reason why they come to co-parent. If you are not comfortable, continue to remain for that Cancun, so that by the time wey you no dey see, shebi you kukuma dey off social media for now. As you see say Chochi family no send her, they no gree answer her, they don give her order, then she go through court. Lawyer go chop your money. They go frustrate you join her. Nothing for lagbaja. Nothing for lagbaja. So rest in the name of the Lord. Say now wey still dey hot. Tonto Dike no even send Chochi. Even if she love am o, because of say they get pikin together o, everything just dey hot now. Very soon e go cool. Everything go cool last. So rest. Abi my people, what do you guys think? Do you think Tonto Dike deserve this letter from the court, from her lawyer, say make she stay away? Or Rosemora just dey overreact? It can never be possible. And is it possible that Tonto Dike will stay away from calling Olakunle's name when they have a child together. For the lawyers in the house, make una come help us. So you know say we don't know anything about law. Make una come make we discuss for the comment section on what are your take in all of this. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remember your humble girl gifted gist. I mean they bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use Gonete beg una make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest or get to real like this. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.